Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a little set that I've had for a few years. It is from Scrappy Boy Stamps and it is the Goth Girl collection. I have the stamp set, the sentiment, and the dies. I also bought this window stamp and the papers. These are all the different papers. There's 24 sheets of the 6x6. It is glossy paper. I'm not a fan of glossy paper, but I am a fan of Wednesday. So I've already stamped and die cut some of these characters from the set. I've colored them in very roughly. I'm not very good at coloring, but there they go. I've stamped some sentiments, so I'm ready to play. Yeah, let's see what I can come up with. Hopefully you stick around and watch for the completed project. Okay, I'm back. I did get 5 different cards made. I will share them. So let me zoom in. Okay, so this is one of them. It's Wednesday and thing. And it just says, birthday, yes, happy, never. And then inside is blank. But the background paper is from the paper pack. And then you saw me, I told you that I stamped and colored and die cut these out. This strip is from a set. And I think I got it from Quinn & Company. It's a few different strip dies. And I think a layering piece for the strip. As well as a circle one. And you'll see I used the circle one on another card. And then here's another one. It just says, sometimes life can feel like electric shock therapy without the satisfying afterburn. Hang in there. Yeah, hang in there. Hang in there. Being your friend should come with a warning label. That's cute. But there's the circle, and it does have the layering piece as well. The die. And then anytime I grow nauseous at the sight of a rainbow or hear a pop song that makes my ears bleed, I think of you. And this one, I have a glow blend stamp that has a bunch of these trees here. And I just used some of those. Sorry, the landscaper's here, and so if you can hear the blower and other noise, I apologize. But I also have a few of these backgrounds that I had already made, and so that's what I used to make this card. And then the last card I have is this one. I just tore up some of the papers from the paper pack and layered them. And it says, I find social media to be a soul-sucking void of meaningless affirmation. Meeting you has been the only highlight. But those are the 5 cards I got out of this Scrappy Boy stamp collection. I didn't even get a chance to use the window, so I'll still be playing because, you know, I have tons more papers. And I did stamp out a few things, sentiments and the characters, so I could color them later and play more. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!